What's up, y'all? I ended up jumping in the SPY. One contract, low risk. Just trying to get my bracket set. I got my stop already set to break even. I'm going to just kind of chase this up. I took this because SPY came back up, tapped the top of that channel. I'm kind of just going to 2 minute or 1 minute bar by bar this. So that's why you see me move my stop to right there. Look at where it is. Just above that candle. Won't lose any money on this trade. And if we can get a good push under 385, this might be a good trade. If it comes back up and tags me, I'll make $10. No big deal. Ooh, good push. That was the good push. That was the good push I was looking for, but it needed to keep going. So I'm basically up 2R right now. I was risking $10 on this trade. So I'm gonna lock in 1R. Got 1R locked in right there. We up 3R. Good solid trade. I'm gonna get my stop, my target way out of the way. If it comes up there and tags me, I'm good with that. But what I'm gonna come back down here and do is just start locking in profit. So I'm gonna lock in 2R. Don't want to let a winning trade turn into a losing trade. Got 2R locked in. Good solid trade. All right, it's coming back up. You can see right here, it's coming back up against me. No problem if it does. Again, I'm green. I'm green on it. I would like to see this come all the way back down to the base of this channel. But you see right here how it's kind of trading in the upper part of that channel. So it's a good chance that this is about to reverse. So I'm going to just, like I said, keep kind of monitoring it and letting it work because it's working right now. Continue to move my target out of the way. I could just erase this out of the system just by clicking that X, but I'm gonna just move it out of the way. Let's see where it is right now. So we're still up a little over 3R. Again, that's one contract that I'm in. And like I said, this here is what got me worried because it needs to break this area to go lower. It's trading in the upper part of this channel. If it breaks this, it's going to make a good move down. But we still setting new lows. You see that? 384.65. It's still setting new lows. 62, still pushing. That's good. We up 4R on this trade right now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lock in 3R. I'm not trying to get rich off of this trade. But what I am trying to do is not give back profit. Look at it. Solid. We're up 4R and it's pushing. If I had 4 contracts right now, I would be up $200. Now see, what I don't want to do is really give back more than $10 off each of these trades. So if this gets up to 50, I'm gonna creep this up a little bit more. And this is the ladder. This is why I can just kind of creep it up. Look at that. I'm up $50 on the trade. And if this swiped up real fast and hit my stop, I don't have to worry about moving my stop. But man, such a nice trade. Such a nice trade. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lock in 4R on this trade now. So we got 4R locked in. We actually up 5R. based on what our risk level was. And again, I know that this, if it gets around here, it should catch a little bounce and I'll really be inclined to get out. But where's our target set right now? Target is set at 90. Here comes that move back up. Left the bottom and tail. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I'm good with that. Let's see what we made on that trade. I had just finished my recap and I had deleted all of my contracts. Let's look at that though. Look where it came to. Again, that's why I kind of swear by my channels. I get some people to kind of laugh at me when I draw my channels, but these channels give me expectation. And I knew that this was trading in the upper half of this down channel. So until it made a good move back down, my expectation had to be there. But let's look and see what we made on this trade real quick. Let's drag this over. So made another $38. Close P&L, 38 bucks. I don't think that's bad for, when did I get in that? I got in that at, let's say 13:45 and it's 13:54 now. 10 minutes, 38 bucks. That's not bad. And you can see this is my thumbnail watch list. This is what I'm watching. This is the monitor that's directly in front of me. This is what I'm watching as I am looking for a stock. So I could be glancing. I see right there, ooh, the SPY just came and touched the top of that channel. Let's look for it to push back down and get in the trade. I could look at these other stocks. I got Apple, NVDA, Tesla, Meta, Microsoft. So bunch of different ideas that I could be watching. But just wanted to do that real quick. I hadn't even finished uploading my recap to YouTube when I was like, I got to take this trade. I cannot watch this trade go without me. Only took one contract because I didn't want to give back much of what I had made today, but work to perfection. Work to perfection. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up now, and y'all probably look forward to seeing me tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get my monthly recap out of the way. All right, peace.